again. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Henry, O'Brien, and Weekly. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the business. Severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 266 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry, O'Brien, and Weekly.